Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to you. Today I'm going to be teaching you a quick relaxation technique. This is beneficial to us no matter what is our health condition or even if we are in perfect health because it's calming, soothing, relaxing, rejuvenating, and it can be stress relieving too. This can be done after practicing yogasanas, after exercising, after any strenuous physical activity. It can also be done at the end of a long, hard day at work because it's going to help relax us. This can be done lying in Shavasana, preferably lying in Shavasana on a mat or the bed. But for any reason you can't lie down, you can also sit on a chair, keeping your back supported. Preferably in a quiet room. It takes about 6 to 8 minutes to do the whole practice. So let's begin by first coming down into a lying down position and making ourselves really comfortable there. Here what I'm going to do is, I'm going to try, in case I have some lower back pain, I'm going to try and grab a pillow and place it below my knees so that my low back is flat on the earth, because we're going to lie down here for a few minutes, keeping our feet wide and lying down on a back. In case you're in a bright room, what you can do is you can also grab a small towel, fold it and place it on our eyes. So this is one way to get really comfortable. The other way for you to do is not using any props, just lying down flat on the mat or the bed. So 3 key things to remember is a quiet room, a comfortable position, and a not so very bright room. Close your eyes. We're going to be breathing in through our nose and out through our nose all through the practice. Arms come to rest next to our body. Our feet flop to the side. If you're not very comfortable pointing the nose in the direction of the ceiling, you can also drop it to any side that you want to. Now bring your attention to your abdomen. And as you're breathing in and out through your nose, we're just going to notice the movements happening in our abdominal region. I'm going to do this for 3 breaths. Now slowly bring your attention to your breath. And as we breathe it, notice our belly move up towards the ceiling. And as we breathe out, our whole belly is collapsing back towards our spine. Breath in, belly moves forward. Breath out. Collapses towards our spine. One more. Just to keep your face relaxed. Now this time as we breathe out, we're going to let our whole body get heavy and melt into the mat. We're going to do the same thing for 2 more breaths. Now slowly shift your attention to the tip of your nostril. Now as as we breathe in, notice the cool air entering a nostril. And as we breathe out, notice the warm air on the top of our upper lip. Gonna stay here for 2 more breaths. Now bring both your feet together. If you've turned your head to either side, bring your nose to point towards the ceiling. Toes are pointing towards the ceiling. Palms are pointing towards the ceiling. We're going to take a deep breath in and breathe out. The next time we breathe out, we'll chant 1 round of Om and feel the vibrations of Om wash all through our body. Just noticing the vibrations from the tip of our toes to the crown of our head to the tip of our fingers. You can continue lying down here for as long as you want to. Thank you so much for joining me in today's practice. I hope this video was helpful. For more content like this, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate your support. If you have any queries or questions, you can always write to me in the comments below. Namaste.